can't make my own decisions. I make any with precision. Or maybe you should tell me so I don't go where you don't want me. You say that I've been changing, that I'm not just simply aging. Yeah, how could that be logical? Just keep on cramming ideas down my throat. You don't have to believe me.
Halo guys.
Desperate and broken, the sound of a fight. Father has spoken.
Never want to go back to that day, never again. Never want to fade in my way, that will make me insane. I'm trapped in a shipwreck which is drowning so quick, make me lost to the bottom. It's hard to solve problem, seems like everything crumbles. There is no direction, so lost in translation, can't find no more satisfaction. Stuck in a dead end, try all over again. Gotta break out to be free, do the whole right thing again.
Life keeps going. Can I change and do the right thing? I know there's a reason to keep me.
Break away to another side. Why don't you fly away, fly away, fly away, break away, break away for a better life. Fly away, fly away. Well, I need to have a courage inside. Gotta lift the past on
Mas
the
guys.
Time alone fatigue made a better chance for a better day. Live a better life in a better
Beneran
way.
guys.
Kadal api.
Sakura Record. Wong edan kuwi bebas. 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 Elek-elek omonge wong tuwa, loro ati angel ditambani. Doyek karo wong loro untu, ngombe obat dinggo mapan turu.
Selamat pagi guys. Kita berada di Gunung Muria, puncak atas angin. Guys, jeru guys.
Jadi guys, gimana guys?
sikil kemecer kaya kudu potol.
Kilo deloken mlakune pincang kekeselen iki. Mlakune ra tingklak-tingklik kaya wanto. Iki lho polahe. Ngene iki sing penggawemu do titip salam iki lho rekosone sek mengkene iki. Bacal ngene iki kowe sing munggah, aku tak sing titip salam. Bacal melu rekoso lek gelem titip masamu mbahmu ta ye. Delok dhewe iki lho. Bahaya iki jalur iki. Jalur penyesalan. Lho. Ape muter walik tapi munggah wis kadung kesel. Lho. Isore iki lho do deloken. Mripatmu do deloken iki lho. Ki derut ora masamu penak. Ngene iki karangamu do titip salam. Do makarek nampani ususmu buntu. Iki lho. Deloken perjuangan iki lho sek mengkene.
Kalau nyawa Kang.
Ngene kadang ijek demok PHP.